Well, hello everyone, we finally got some snow. I've come down to the beach with the drone, but things didn't quite go as planned. In fact, it went completely belly up. It's a bit cold and a little tiny bit of sleet coming down, but overall it's going to be a good day, I thought.
I think it's going to be one of those days. The battery catch isn't working, I've had to tape it on. Thank you. Very slushy. Slippy as. Still actually snowing.
This was fine, drone following me perfectly, but then all of a sudden it crashed alongside me into the snow. So I cleaned it up, seemed okay, and started it up again, but it didn't quite seem right, it wasn't locking onto me, and then it all went downhill. I don't get too worried about the possibility of losing it. I mean, it's quite a cheap drone, I can handle the cost. When it started climbing uncontrollably, I got a bit concerned because I am next to an RAF base. Using it without a controller, I haven't even got the app on my phone, and I'm just using hand launch. Really shouldn't do this.
I think I've got a flyaway. I might as well just film it. It's just climbing and climbing by itself. That's hilarious. I don't know if you can see it. It's gaining absolutely ludicrous height.
I think it finally stopped around 300 foot and just sat there. As you can see, it's still locked onto me with the camera.
Still climbing, still climbing. I'm just hoping it holds up place and then runs out of battery. Jesus Christ, what height's it getting to? I mean, it's just a dot in the distance now, but still staying in line. Well, I might as well have a little toot round. I can still hear it running.
The conditions are really slippy, it's very hard, maybe because these tyres are a bit bald now.
It's a dot. I don't know if you can see it. Absolutely ludicrous height. It's just a pencil dot in the distance. Too evil to be out on the bike anyway. Yeah, it seems to have stopped climbing at, I don't know, a couple of 100 feet at least. Jesus, how long is it going to fly for? Come on, you bugger, run out of battery. Trust me to fully charge before it came. I can hear it glitching and fighting with the wind. I get the feeling it might just drop out the sky. A lot of wind up there, it's quite windy down here. So surely the battery's going to die nice and quickly. It's been like 5 minutes, which is a hell of a long time to watch a drone. Anyway, I don't like riding on this stuff, it's too easy to go through it. It makes a right mess of the snow for everyone. Still up there, fighting the wind. Here we go, she's coming down.
It lasted 7.5 minutes before running out of power.
She's coming down fast. Hey! Nice soft landing in the snow. What the hell? Hilarious. I'm gonna go back to the van. It's too cold. Horrible. I'll see what's up with her. Right then, let's see what's going to happen here. Don't let go of it. Okay.
Droney, circle, rocket, spotlight. Spotlight, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, since we're doing its normal things, it's fighting me. Well, I don't know if I can trust the drone in snow again. It was doing fine for the first 2 minutes and then just suddenly crashed into the ground. I got all the snow out. I know, it's starting to sound like a right botch, isn't it? Like it's my fault. Okay, no worries. Thank you. Hi, Pooch.
Wet wood with a thin layer of snow. What could go wrong?
God, blimey, brakes are hilarious, aren't they? Why do they squeal so much? What's up with them? Designed to squeal. Is that their sole job?
I had the camera on linear to look at the drone. I'm putting it back onto super view now.
Yeah, it's funny the way there's this bit. I presume the tide was in and washed away the snow, yeah? I'm not sure. There seems to be a very clear barrier. There's a warship over there. Oh, it's horrible. Freezing cold, sleet coming down on me. I can't believe I managed to get that drone back. I thought that was gone for good. It managed to hold its GPS lock. I don't know what height it got to. I reckon that was a good 300 foot at least. It was a dot in the distance. It's actually within the level you're allowed to fly, but not really near an airport. Not good at all. I presume it was snowing while the sea was in, and then the sea went out and it stopped snowing. Yes, it's lovely, but far too cold. My fingers are frozen to the core. Anyway, I'm just going to go back. I'm going to go home, see what's up with the drone. Let's see if I can get up here. Yeah, obviously that's no problem at all. I was struggling before though. Just wasn't having it on the snow. Oh, that's tight. Oh. Here we go. Oh. Bloody hell. I'm actually spinning the wheel here. Oh God, that's horrible. There's not even that much snow. The snow has just started up again. Might come back in a bit. Just got talking to a guy flying a DJI Mini. He wasn't having any problems, but obviously he's with his wife and kids. The wife was like, "Will this fly away?"
Sorry that this was all about drones and not bikes. Did come out with good intentions, trust me. But I've come out too late and it's got a bit slushy and I'm just wrecking the place. I'm going to McDonald's to get myself a double bacon McMuffin. It's going to be sunny again next week, so I'll see you then.